Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GCGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute time frame, I offer a quick explanation video right there. So go to that link and I will explain in detail. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But since then, the price has continued to grind higher and higher. So before anything else, I'm just going to go ahead and do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines. Yes, these levels still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And let's get some nearer term levels updated here. So the first level is what I would call, from the support side of things, that is the ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 0.012. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.012, I am not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be massive power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.012 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party stopped today on 3 different occasions up there at 0.014. You can see once, twice, and then the third time this afternoon. So 0.014, clearly public enemy number 1 going forward, but really resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidation and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.